I'm selling this 2007 Volvo. It has 2.3 million kilometers on. The motor was totally rebuilt at 1,900,000. It has 2.3 million kilometers on right now, and most of those I've driven them. And what else should I tell you? Just before Christmas, probably 50,000 Ks back, put a new transmission, new rear ends. Front, I did it in November, and the rear one I did it February, a bit over a year ago. Drive tires, I would say they are probably right around 60-70%. And she's been a good truck to me. Reason that I'm selling it is it doesn't have four-way locks. It only has three-way locks for them rear ends. And I need four-way locks for what I do. I haul logs out of the mountains in northern Alberta, and that is actually the only reason why I'm selling it. The motor is an ISX, has been good to me, even though I've never liked Commons, but this one here turned out to be a good motor. Nice moose bumper. Steer tires, you probably want to take a look at them. They are about 80%, if not better. I've only driven them for about 3 months. And other than that, don't know what else to tell you. High rise, 2-bed. If interested, maybe contact me via message or maybe email. And there she is. And do some more cleaning. But there you are. It's the best I can do right now. So we'll see what happens. Contact me if interested.